Meaning of girn.
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 Girn. Girn is a Scottish and Northern English word that means to show one's teeth in anger or pain, to grimace or to snarl. It is often used to describe a facial expression that indicates discomfort or resentment. The word dates back to the 15th century and has its origins in the Old Norse language. To girn is often associated with gritting one's teeth, and can be seen as a sign of frustration, fear, or aggression. In summary, girn describes an expression of displeasure or hardship that is conveyed through showing one's teeth and grimacing.